What's up? So today I had four losing trades actually. I had a total loss of about 45 on the day. Not so bad. That's like a risk of one trade overall. So I had, what did I have here? Three losing trades, one winning trade, and the winning trade brought me back to basically that 1 hour for the day. So I lost one for the day. So let's get into these trades. One of them really pissed me off because I could have gotten that trade. I wasn't confident, and then the market just shot down that way. I think that was this candle. Yep, that 9 o'clock candle. So I entered yesterday sell side, and this one was a small risk, so I didn't really mind it. So small risk at about 8 p.m. So that's 20. So I was looking for the market to go down from here, but I think my stop loss was just a bit too tight there. So I entered at 38819. And as a reminder, sometimes the price doesn't match what you're seeing on the chart. It's because they're two different feeds, but the space in between pretty much the same. So you can use that to judge. I'll get it figured out soon enough. Basically, I entered here on the 8 o'clock candle because on this chart it was showing that price was here. If you trade much, you would know that there are certain differences between the price that the broker is showing you and the price on TradingView based on where they get the feed from. It can be forex.com, O and Black Bull, capital.com, all of those, right? So all of those are a little different, slightly different. So this one might be different by about $10 or so. Or $20. So I entered this one. This one was a total loss of 14.20. So you can see if I didn't have such a tight stop loss, there's a possibility that I could have stuck into this trade. Just once I didn't get wicked out at 9 a.m. And I would have gotten a clean trade to the downside for a nice probably 7 risk to reward. The next trade I entered a buy at 8. So I was expecting the market to continue going up, and let's look at this now. So I entered at 38844. This was called it that. Then I actually got stopped out at 38728. That one was a total loss of 46.54. Of course, I got stopped out on this big swing 9 o'clock here. You can see it's pretty obvious that's where I would have gotten stopped out. So I got stopped out here. That one was a loss of 46.54, right? The next one I entered a sell, and that was at 10. I got stopped out quickly at 10.40 because we had this big wick here. So you can see price actually reversed very aggressively before back to climbing to the upside. So my entry was 38628, right? And then I got stopped out at 38710. So I entered while price was here, and then price began to reverse against me. I think I probably on this chart I entered a little lower, so I got stopped out on the same candle. You see it here. The next one I entered a buy at 10. So when I got stopped out of that one, I entered a buy because I was seeing this big wick. So if it went against me again, I was completely done for the day. But there was still the possibility that I would have made some profit. So, and as soon as it hit like 1 hour, which is that 40 mark, I decided to take it. I'm not seeing big pushes on US30 as yet, so it's just taking some getting used to. Nasdaq, I'm looking for like $100, but I haven't figured out exactly how I can make $100 per day on this one, but it seems to be a little bit more structured at least. That's what I'm seeing so far. Let's get into the watch list now. I think NVIDIA is above 1200, which makes it a larger company than Apple at this time. So let's get into all of these. So Bitcoin, wow, look at that. Bitcoin, that's very bullish actually. So Bitcoin is at 71178. So this actually took out some of that sell side or some liquidity down here. So this could probably take Bitcoin a little bit higher. Let's look at Tesla. Probably nothing. Yeah. Tesla is doing nothing today. IMMR continued sell off. Oh, breaking back to the upside, forming some support around here. Very interesting. Bitfarms continuing higher. Yep. Bitfarms continuing higher. I remember this is not correlated to Bitcoin at all. So you can't trick me this time. Tesla, no. NVIDIA, but wow, all green. People are buying NVIDIA to the moon right now. AMD is at 166. Still don't trust it. I would focus on NVIDIA. I'm sure SMCI is having a good day as well. Coming back up. And I'll just speak about NVIDIA in the notes because NVIDIA is the star at this time. And they have their stock split in a few days. So NVIDIA valued more than Apple today. First time. Still going up before stock split. Bitcoin looking bullish. IMR found support. What else? Bitfarms going higher. And that's it, I would say, for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.